Todd Martin, Martin Prospecting. We're gonna run a little test on this new little gold trap. We carry it here at our store at Martin Prospecting. We're gonna show you how it works. It's new out on the market last week, a couple weeks ago in the new Prospectors magazine, GPAA. Gary done a field test on it. There's a 2-page article on it. They don't have the price right in the magazine. This unit here runs $479, and that comes with the tub, your pump, your hoses, sluice box, the self-feeding vibrating hopper. This thing's got 2 vibrators on the hopper and on the sluice. It's got all your controls back here. You can put your water on. This is your water. It's got adjustments on your water flow, and also has water that runs up to your hopper if you run in dry materials. That way it can wash it down and wash it into your hopper. Alright, now we're going to cut our it comes with a wetting agent. We're going to use our Martin Go Getter juice. We're talking with them. They're going to probably carry this new product, and you can see how it just put a couple little drops in there. It's going to wet your sluice, make your gold easier to clean up. You got to classify this thing down to a 20 mesh, which we already have. Actually, this is some black sand that's come off of Michigan, Lake Michigan shores that they've been finding some microscopic gold in, and we're going to run it through here and see what we can find. Cut the vibrator on here. The thing I like about this thing is you can just load this hopper up. Sometimes you have to adjust your water if it won't run in there too fast on your hopper. But yeah, you can load this thing up and turn around, walk off, run it, go watch TV, eat supper, whatever you want to do with another little hobby. You can just load this thing all the way up. This is real dry, so it's going through pretty fast. And the vibration, got a little bit more water right here. The vibration shakes it out of the hopper. But also, to catch up the 600 mesh gold, it'll vibrate the gold up to the sides. We're going to run just a little bit here, let it clean up for a second. And once the materials get washed down, we'll see what kind of gold it's going to catch. They were making improvements on the water feeding hopper. This is one of the first ones to come out. We actually picked this up at the GPA show in New Mexico when they first introduced the hopper on it. All of the videos don't show the hopper, but the only way you can get it now is with the hopper. It's going to clean up here in just a second. Let's see if we got any traces of gold in this. There we are, see a little bit up at the top already. We'll let that black sand wash out. This is some heavy black sand. When I test something, I usually get the toughest materials that I can to run through something to test it. You can see a little bit of gold showing up in here. It's built up, it's microscopic golds. Like I say, you probably can't even see it with the naked eye, each piece, but when it builds up like this, you can. And that was just, I think, 3 spoonfuls, maybe 4 spoonfuls. We got a little line on this side here. We're going to run a little bit more materials through here. I don't want you to use up a lot of your video time. I don't want you to get bored watching this thing run. We're going to run a little bit more materials through here, and then we're going to clean it up and see what it does. Show you how small the gold actually is. So, matter of fact, I'm going to run this whole little tub here through there, and then we're going to clean it up. We'll get back with you here in just a few minutes. Alright, we've run this, well, I didn't run about half the materials through here. Then I let it run for like 10 minutes. Try to wash out as much black sand as I can. We're going to try to clean it up right here real quick. I'm just going to put me a gold pan down here at the bottom. Let's see, we probably need to cut the water back on. I'm going to try to tilt this thing up without taking this hopper off over to one side. I got me a sniffer bottle. I pull my straw up real high so I can squirt water in there. And I'm just going to try to wash it all over to one side. Let's say like you can use a turkey baster or whatever. That'll make this pretty easy. It's a little bit easier if you take the hopper off of it to clean it up. Just gonna wash it all down. This ain't gonna take long. Just tilt it over one side. Put me a little more water on here. There we go. It's probably easier to take it out, but and we're going to have a little bit of black sand left in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to carry it over here to our New Martin water table. Got a big part of it out. I'm going to carry it over here to our New Martin water table. Come down with the side and get her. Gold in there. And on a Martin water table, the fine gold's going to stick to this mat. Pretty good bit of black sand in here. And what you do on the table, you just dab it around, give black sand time to wash down. And I'll put these old eyeballs on them in so I can see good. Sticking in my brush and knocking it down there. You can adjust this table so I can wash it off faster, but I know I got a lot of microscopic gold in here, so I'm going to do it. I got the table tilted up for it to run real slow. This table here is going to clean it all the way up. This black sand here is really, really tough. And you can see all the very, very microscopic gold in here. There's probably 300-400 mesh gold in here at least. Try to get it cleaned all the way up because I want real good clean gold. Sweep it all up and fine. And that's the thing about this mat here, the microscopic gold sticks to it so hard. You have to brush it really hard to get it to move because it just sticks. This table don't vibrate. A lot of people ask me, does it vibrate? No, it don't vibrate. Just a water table with a special mat that we got. About got it all the way cleaned up. All this tiny stuff here. A little bit of black sand left in there. We're going to see if I can get it out right quick. say there's some really tiny mesh gold in there. Alright. Could clean up a little bit more, but I'm going to sweep it in this little hole right here. It's going to fall down in a vial. And still a few pieces in there, but we're going to show you how it works. Screw the vial off. When it's done, you got good clean gold, and that's the gold we covered off the little gold table and cleaned up on the Martin water table.